Here's a short time lapse of a lazy boy repair we did today. First, I am taking the seat apart. There's a broken spring, and we're going to be installing new foam. We have to carefully take the staples out not to tear the fabric at all. The fabric is still in very good condition. There are the springs, removing the old springs and the broken springs. We're replacing all of them. Happy springs. Cutting them to length. This was a pain in the butt. Happy springs. Adding a layer of burlap protects the foam, and there's a layer of jute over that. Measuring it all up, getting ready to cut the foam. There's the customer. Oh, big piece of foam. I gotta cut that with the knife. Doo 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 doo. And there we go. Ready to install it. We are hand stitching a fly down so that the cushion does not scoot around at all. Staple, staple, staple. There we go, putting it back together. Don't replace it, repair it. Contact Neumeyer Upholstery for all your upholstery needs.